Hey guys, John with you. I'm here by myself today. Actually, friend Mark let me come back over. So I found great finds in this field last year, and as you can see, this is all been soybeans. They're gonna plow it again, but he let me come out here and walk it. And you know, I walked from here to my truck. I really probably been here 20 minutes. I just got up on this little ridge here, if you guys can see that on top of this. This is just like within a 10-foot radius. I just walked around here. Bunch of flakes. This one was pretty neat. Focus. Broke piece. That is some beautiful material. That one just has tip knocked off. And I just picked this one up sitting right over here. Pretty material. Not the most well made. Definitely used. Guys, I'll be back when I find some more. Okay guys, it literally has been a few steps. Check this out. Let's see what it is. It's definitely a whole piece that has been reworked. Huh. So it would have been the bottom half of a big knife. Man, there is just so much material out here. I almost hate to turn the camera off. It is just so windy. Okay guys, 2 minutes later. Get that out with my stick. It's pretty nice. Alright guys, I'm back, and let's see what it is. I have probably found it looks broke. That is a nice tip. broke bottoms off the tools. That's the one I showed you, and I found another one. Nice little ads. Another broke one. I got a whole pocket full of them. Still trying to find that whole one. Alright guys, I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. And I see a base sticking out of the ground here. I have not touched it yet. Oh, there's pressure. Oh, baby, look at that one. Oh, that's nice. Beautiful material. Heck yeah. Finally. I just came across this too. Little scraper. Hi guys, I'll be back. Hey guys, I just picked up all this stuff. Some broken bottoms. Broke right off. Looks like a nice little scraper. And I just came across this. Looks broke too, but it's really windy out today. Alright guys, I'm gonna keep walking. Hope I'll be back. Hey guys, just came across something else. I did find this tip. Nice tip. Broken base. Let's see what this is. It's pretty loose. Man, that is pretty. But broke. Alright guys, be back. Guys, I'm back with you. I just tipped something out of the tree. Haven't touched it yet. Oh, there, sweet. The second time in my life I've ever found 2 points in one day. Thank you, Mark. Can't wait till he plows this field up. It's gonna be some good looking then. Alright guys, be back if I find anything else. Hey guys, got a few more things. rounded, broke. And I also found another tip. Blank from scraper. And then found this little crude little thing. And that ain't much to look at. They used it for something. Alright, be back. Hey guys, back home now. Still clean up, clean some of this stuff off, and hey, you're in my light tomorrow. Pretty. It was a pretty good day out there today. Haven't found this much stuff in one day since the last time I was at his place. Different area. She's trying to get some attention. A lot of brooks. It's a pretty nice little scraper. Well, guys, I'll be back with you next time. Good luck, everybody. Happy hunting.